Hello, welcome back again to my channel. This is Pinoy Garaan. I would like to answer the question: is it safe to join the safari or the boat tour as a solo traveler female in Turkey? Yes, it is very safe. And let me also let us understand as well that danger is everywhere across the world. So don't worry, take the chance to travel and enjoy and pay attention and take care of yourself. That's the thing that I can say. So this is in Kash, where we join a boat safari for a few days, and after that we stayed in one of the homestead hostel. It's kind of boutique hotel, I can say, and it was very beautiful. We have a very beautiful sea view in our balcony. We visited many places in this region, and if you are the one who love diving, so this place is for you. You have to visit Kash. And also, if you wanted to go to the town or to the city center and you wanted to commute, there are buses that you can join. And also, if you want to drive by yourself, you can rent some cars. There are some places offer
Jump.
rent cars.
Jumping.
So this one was actually a group for safari. We joined them for a few days. And the second one was the diving safari. So the divers normally, you know, they go to different places to do the diving, and this is for a couple of days, like 3 days. This offer to a group of people who loves diving. And for sure, if you are the one who really enjoy diving, you must really do it. So you can rent motorcycle as well and go to the town and enjoy the different kinds of food. They have a lots of restaurants with the sea view. They have a nice beaches, and after that, if you are planning to go to buy some souvenirs that you can bring back home, there is a wide selection waiting for you. Those beautiful, vibrant colors of
Ayan guys,
in
mga
your home
souvenir dito
displays and
sa isla.
even accessories and even some jewelries as well they are selling. So these are one of many home decoration souvenir that you can buy and give to your friends as a souvenir or as a gift for you for yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and let me know if you have any question. Look at that beautiful accessory for those of you. Thank you very much. Come and visit and have fun.